Hello, my friend. I am so excited to share this video with you. Today is the fourth video in my Why Do People Watch series, and today we're going to focus on our next victim, Taylor Wynn, previously known as The Taylor. We're going to be talking about Taylor today, and we're going to be talking about why people watch her channel. So if that sounds interesting to you, hang tight. We're getting into it right now. If you are not familiar with this series, I have done this on 3 other people. We started with Raw Beauty Christie, followed with Jackie Ina, and then Kathleen Lights, and now we're moving into Taylor Wynn. Incidentally, the look that I'm wearing today is inspired by a Taylor Wynn tutorial that I followed that she filmed back in 2016. I didn't have the product she was talking about, so I mostly used the Glam Light paint palette, and yeah, that's how I got this look today, mostly. So if you're lacking inspiration, I definitely recommend going back to some of your favorite YouTubers tutorials from when tutorials were big and check them out, because there's lots of good stuff hidden in 2016, 2017 when everybody was doing tutorials. Before we can talk about why people watch Taylor, we need to go back in time to 2012. Cue the transitional dream sequence. La, 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 la.
The Taylor created her YouTube account on July 15, 2009. We aren't sure when her actual first video was uploaded because many of her early videos no longer appear on her channel. The first video that is still around was uploaded on March 21st, 2012. I Heart Makeup 92, later known as Liz Megan, was running a contest. And not just any contest, a parody contest, challenging her viewers to create a video parodying her channel. Answering the call, Taylor uploaded her I Heart Makeup 92 parody. Apparently, Taylor did a fabulous job as she won the contest. Not long after, Taylor also uploaded a video unboxing of her prize, where she expressed her excitement at getting the prize from someone with 40,000 subscribers. The next video that still exists was uploaded 3 weeks later in a 3-minute Getting Ready With Me sped up over music style video. In the video, she uses some makeup classics, including the Hard Candy Glamouflage Concealer, Maybelline Superstay Foundation, MAC Painterly Paint Pot as a primer, and the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. We see our first Raves and Rejects in July of 2012. In this video, we see Taylor being Taylor.
I look like the sloth from Ice Age right now. I've never been down to buy a $5 pair of false lashes. Like, you don't need those, especially when I can get a whole box of them off eBay for $2. But I was in the drugstore and I was like, I'm gonna see what all the damn hype is about these 120 damn Witzbies. And I have these things on, I feel like I'm wearing the Rolex of false lashes. Whenever I come home from college, it's like in Christmas, because I discover like in my room that I forgot I had. Like, I found an Essie nail polish in my sock drawer the other day. Tell me how that works.
Cracking jokes without cracking a smile. August 27th of 2012, Taylor uploaded a video called Important News, Where I Will Be. In this video, she announced to her audience that she will be studying abroad in Jordan for 9 months as part of her international studies degree, starting later that week. In the video, she explains that she had been pre-recording videos throughout the summer so that she would have content to upload while she was abroad. Though she didn't meet her goal of 30 extra videos, she was able to film and edit 15 to 20 videos. Because so much has been deleted, I reached out to Taylor to find out information about her early content. She said she felt embarrassed by some of her older content, especially her Taylor Rants videos, where she would rant about random topics. She said that a lot of the content that she created and uploaded while she was in Jordan was quickly made, and she wasn't proud of it, so it's been taken down. 9 videos do still exist, though, from this time period, including a vlog while in Jordan. We see Taylor's return to the States in May of 2013, where she announces that she'll soon be leaving again for Israel to spend the summer. She filmed some content while in Israel, but few videos remain, including a June Raves and Rejects. Until this point, Taylor's been doing mostly sped-up tutorials, vlog-style content, and collective reviews like Raves and Rejects. When Taylor returns, we see that kind of content, but her number of individual product reviews increases, showing her strength for describing effectiveness of products in a helpful way. Taylor gained about 10,000 subscribers after winning the Liz Megan parody contest, but she gets another huge boost from none other than ShanXO, who shouts her out in her 11 underrated YouTube gurus tag in September of 2013. Shannon had over 300,000 subscribers at this point, so that was a huge deal. Interestingly, of the 11 channels, only 2 other YouTubers mentioned still upload regular beauty content, Makeup with Ja and Mariah Leonard, who Shannon mentions had less than 1,000 subscribers at the time. I'm not sure if you'll be able to guess the first hit video on Taylor's channel. A review of a popular foundation? Nope. Testing a makeup hack? Nope. A DIY of how to repaint furniture without sanding? Absolutely correct. Yes, I'm serious. Taylor's second most popular video of all time was uploaded on October 6, 2013, and it is literally a video of Taylor explaining her process of repainting thrift store furniture. It's currently sitting at nearly 1.4 million views. Shortly after this video hit, Taylor got a job at MAC Cosmetics as a freelance makeup artist. Talking with Taylor through DM, she mentioned that it allowed her to learn a lot about makeup application and the industry in general. She also got some practice doing makeup on sorority girls at her college that needed to get ready for events. During this time, Taylor was also making some friends online, including now true crime YouTube sensation Kendall Rae. Taylor did her first online collab with Kendall in January of 2014, sharing and reviewing their Amazon purchase history. Kendall credits Taylor for being her first real friend on the platform. In 2014, Taylor tried out a few short-lived series on her channel, including the Leopard Robe vlog and Girl Goes Grad, talking about life post-college graduation. Though these series didn't take off the way she might have hoped, what she didn't know was that she was about to discover that what would bring hundreds of thousands of viewers to her channel had been with her all along. On March 14th, 2014, Taylor uploaded current foundation favorites for fair, pale skin. This was followed by another popular video, How to Lighten Foundation, White Mixer for Pale Skin, and How to Love Your Pale Skin. In April, Taylor hit on another long-running series on her channel, Shadow and Schmooze, which on other channels is called a Chit Chat Get Ready With Me. But I don't know. Did Taylor invent this? I'm honestly not sure. While Taylor continued to be Taylor, in January of 2015, something did change on her channel. She got a new camera and new lights for a beautiful upgrade to that beauty guru blurry background. That same month, Taylor hit on another topic that would make her channel stand out. Skincare routine for acne-prone skin, plus My Acne Story was her first video focusing on these particular struggles. She mentions that she first started getting cystic acne when she returned from Jordan back in 2013, possibly due to discontinuing use of birth control. The combination of reviews for pale skin and reviews for people with acne begins gaining Taylor's channel a cult following of loyal subscribers. Reviews on the Rimmel Lasting Finish 24-Hour Foundation, the IT Cosmetics Illuminating CC Cream, and the MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof Foundation allow people with both interests to gain information that a very limited number of beauty video creators have the ability to talk about. This embracing of what makes her unique in the beauty space culminated in breaking the 100,000 subscriber milestone in December of 2015. Taylor continued pushing out video after video in early 2016, including the mom tag in March and the dad tag in May. Her core audience was watching nearly every video that she created, but new viewers brought her foundation reviews into the hundreds of thousands of views every time. So Taylor, being the smart woman that she is, uploaded her first 15 days of foundation, leading to close to 3 million views, averaging almost 200,000 views per video in this 15-day series. It was so successful that Taylor brought the series back in November, and it was during this set of 15 days that she uploaded her most popular video to date, where she reviews the Dermacol Makeup Cover Foundation, which is currently sitting at 1.5 million views. Another thing that made this 15-day special was that she made 15 Days of Foundation t-shirts, where half of the t-shirt proceeds went to Project Beauty Share, a charity that supports women in need with beauty products. This set of videos earned a whopping 5.2 million views and raised over $1,600 for the charity. In December of 2016, Taylor teamed up with Bhue Beauty to design a limited edition deep blood red lipstick called 1548, named after her address when she started her YouTube channel. 2017 started with a bang, or should I say a splash, as another one of Taylor's videos went viral when she tested a Korean makeup hack that was supposed to make your foundation last all day. It involves applying foundation, topping it with cornstarch-based baby powder, and dunking your face in a bowl of cold water for 30 seconds. Spoiler alert, it totally worked. At over 250,000 subscribers, Taylor was beginning to make appearances on local news channels for her work with Project Beauty Share and traveled to London with Burberry for Fashion Week. For her third 15 Days of Foundation in April of 2017, Taylor partnered with brands to list 230 individual products and bundles where 100% of money raised went to Project Beauty Share. And of course, she created a new t-shirt design. Public record on a website called Social Blade only goes back 3 years, so the first spike in subscribers I'm able to see is September of 2017, where Taylor gained over 34,000 subscribers and over 6 million video views in 1 month. I looked back and I found out why. It seems to have stemmed from none other than a foundation review for the Catrice HD Liquid Cover Foundation, as that video is currently sitting at 1.2 million video views. As this video was part of her fourth 15 days of foundation, it seemed that the uptick in views on her channel played positively to the YouTube algorithm, which put her video in front of more eyes. Because Taylor at this point had a ton of videos with similar content to this one, I can see new viewers binge watching more and more content, as well as happily subscribing. A huge moment in Taylor's life came in October of 2017 when she started using prescription Accutane to attempt to clear her cystic acne. As she embarked on this journey, she uploaded a video summarizing her acne story and the reasons why she chose to go on Accutane. Personally, this is one of my favorite videos on her channel. But what Taylor's subscribers didn't know is that behind the scenes, Taylor had been working on some really cool merch. The designs were all hand-drawn with Taylor's burritos in mind. Going into 2018, Taylor continued her regular reviews and updates on her Accutane journey. By the 4th month, the difference in Taylor's skin was significant. Along with Accutane, Taylor attributed the lessening of her scars to rosehip oil that she added into her skincare routine. Taylor had her next huge spike in views and subscribers. Can you guess when? If you guessed March 2018's 15 Days of Foundation, you were right. Though none of the videos as individuals went viral, the videos did consistently well, and she gained another 35,000 subscribers and near 5 million video views. In mid-2018, Taylor got another exciting opportunity to design a brush collection with Sigma Beauty. This was very special for her because Taylor saw Sigma brushes as such a huge part of her channel up until that point. The Freaking Flawless brush collection contained their famous F80 flat kabuki, a blush brush, and a highlighter brush. And it's actually still available for sale on the Sigma site for $62. Around this time, Taylor reached another milestone in her life, purchasing her first home. If you've been with Taylor since the beginning, you've seen her move multiple times, so there's definitely some joy in seeing her finally get a place of her own. Through the rest of 2018, Taylor remained consistent with foundation reviews, shadow and schmooze, and new additions such as focusing on makeup sold at specific retailers such as Amazon, Ulta, Sephora, and even Wish. Moving into 2019, Taylor tried some new topics along with the tried and true content, including buying an eBay mystery beauty box, a massive eyeshadow palette declutter, and getting her makeup done at various retailers, which was her most successful new series in 2019. As of the filming of this video, Taylor is currently averaging 5,000 new subscribers and 2 million video views per month, and has close to 145 million video views on her channel, with 25 million of them coming directly from 15 Days of Foundations videos. She should be hitting 150 million video views this summer. Just like when we talked about Kathleen Lights, one thing that makes Taylor's channel so interesting is that her content hasn't changed that much over the years. She still has her dry sense of humor, still creates content that her audience can relate to, and still shows often how much her audience means to her. What has changed about Taylor is more of an evolution into the woman she is today. She succeeded on this platform simply because no one can create content like she does. Once criticized for being too pale, Taylor stopped using self-tanning products and began reviewing foundations specifically for pale skin. Criticized for her acne-prone skin, she chronicled her journey of finding makeup and skincare that works for her. And in that, she took her burritos with her, and they cheered her on the whole way. And what's so incredibly awesome is that they continue to cheer her on as she continues to be a powerhouse on the YouTube platform.
I think I probably watched more of Taylor's channel than I have of any other content creator that I've talked about on here. And I think it's because I was so unfamiliar with Taylor's older content. I found myself just getting sucked in and watching not just enough for the video, but watching the entire video to make sure I didn't miss anything. And I have to say, I thoroughly enjoyed myself going through Taylor's old content. So I figured out lots of reasons why I think people are so attracted to Taylor's content and why people keep coming back over and over again for more. The first reason I think is just because of the relatableness of her channel. Over the years, she's mostly focused on more affordable brands. So people that are on a budget are able to use her reviews in order to make educated decisions. She has always kind of lived in smaller places, never really showed off a lavish luxury lifestyle, and I think a lot of people can relate to that. She does a lot of shopping at places places like TJ Maxx, and she'll go to thrift stores and she'll buy furniture and she'll revamp them and make them look super cool. And I think that's relatable to a lot of people that are working on a budget when it comes to their makeup collections. A big reason I think why people have been attracted to her channel over the years is just her confidence in the skin that she's in. As a person who was shamed for my skin tone when I was younger, mostly by my own family, but also by people in school saying that I was too pale, that I needed to get in the sun, there was a reason why tanning beds were so popular in the late 90s and early 2000s, because if you were seen as tan, it meant that you were able to afford to go on vacations and be tan and be out in the sun, and you weren't inside working all day. It's interesting how cultures appreciate different skin tones for different reasons over time. And Taylor made a huge shift in the beginning of her channel where she stopped using self-tanner and started embracing her pale skin tone, and that's when her audience really started to grow. And then, of course, her acne journey. A lot of people have acne, and there are so many misconceptions about what acne is, why it's there. So many people that think that just washing your face will get rid of acne. Spoiler alert, for most people, it doesn't. Because of all those misconceptions, people with acne are often judged very harshly, and Taylor brought a sense of normalcy to it, that it was okay and it was normal, and that she was not afraid to show her skin completely bare and showing all of her scarring and her acne, and I think that gave a lot of people a lot of confidence. The third one's kind of more formatting, and it's that Taylor doesn't ramble. She doesn't babble about nothing before she gets to the point. She starts her video, she gets into the topic that you came there for. She really gives the information that she says she's gonna give you with the title and the thumbnail, and it's never deceptive. And I think a lot of people appreciate that, and they know what they're getting when they click on the video. They know they're gonna get what they came for. I couldn't do this video without mentioning number 4, which is just her dedication to consistency, her ability to pre-film so that she can make sure she doesn't miss an upload. I mean, that is some serious dedication. I can't say that about myself. I can't say that about most channels that I watch because it's really difficult, but she's got this dedication to uploading a specific amount of times, usually 3 times per week, that her audience really appreciates. You know Taylor isn't going to go anywhere, and if she does go somewhere, you better believe she's gonna have videos pre-filmed for you. And then 5th, I think, is kind of the heart of Taylor's channel, and it just kind of radiates out of her pores, is just how much she cares about people, how much she cares about the people who watch her channel, and her collaborations with Project Beauty Share, and how important that was to her, and her advocacy for women through that. And I just think that that's such a beautiful thing, and I think people realize that that kind of heart is rare to find these days, and Taylor definitely has that heart. At this point, my friend, it is your turn. In the collective brain of Makeup Awesomeness, where we help each other not to buy crap and to watch amazing YouTube channels, it's your turn to chime in. Please let me know if you watch Taylor. Why do you watch her? Leave your thoughts down in the comments below, and I do ask that this be a positive space. This is a place to lift other creators up. There's so many places on the internet to bring people down. Let's try to keep this very, very positive if we could. I'd also love to know your suggestions of who I should cover next, because I'm literally getting my ideas for who to cover next from you in the comment section. So if there's someone you want me to talk about, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to formally join the collective brain of Makeup Awesomeness, please hit the subscribe button. And if you would like to watch another video, YouTube should be recommending one right down there for you. But if you have to go, it's no problem at all. Thank you so much for hanging out as long as you did. Mad love to you, and I will see you in a video very, very soon.